Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever worked with a lot of data in Google Sheets, you know just how much easier things can get when your rows are nicely numbered. Whether you're managing a long list of items, tracking attendance, or just want to make your spreadsheets look extra organized, today's tutorial is going to show you the easiest and fastest way to add serial numbers, or what some folks call sequence numbers, in Google Sheets. By the end of this video, you'll know a slick little trick that automatically fills your column with perfectly numbered rows, and you'll never have to type serial numbers by hand again. Let's get started. So let's imagine you've got a simple list. In my example, I've got a bunch of fruits typed out in column B. Maybe you've got apples, bananas, oranges, cherries, you name it, but it doesn't have to be fruits. It could be anything, a list of students, products, tasks, anything you want to keep track of. And now you want to add a serial number, starting right there in the first column to make sorting and referencing each item a breeze. Here's the magic trick, and trust me, it's way quicker than manually typing 1, 2, 3, and so on all the way down. Click on the very first cell of column A, right where you want your serial numbers to start. Now in that cell, type the following formula, equals, then the word sequence, open a parenthesis, and then COUNTA, open another parenthesis, and type BB, close out both parentheses like this, equals sequence count to BB. Hit enter, and voila, Google Sheets instantly populates the column with a running sequence of numbers aligned perfectly with the length of your data in column B. Let's break down what's happening here, because understanding it will help you tweak this trick for future use. The sequence function is telling Sheets, hey, fill this space with a bunch of numbers in order starting from 1. But how many numbers does it need to fill in? That's where count to BB comes in. COUNTA simply counts every cell in column B that isn't empty, so if you've got 7 fruits listed, you'll get numbers 1 through 7. This way, your serial numbers automatically match the amount of data you actually have. And here's a bonus. If you add or remove items in column B, your serial numbers will automatically adjust to fit. No more retyping or worrying about getting out of sync. A quick note, if your list has a header row, maybe where it says fruit, the COUNTA function will include that, so your numbers will take that header into account. If you want your numbering to start below the header, you can tweak the formula just a bit, but for now, we're keeping it simple. You might be wondering, what if my data is in a different column, or if I want to start numbering from a number other than 1? Great question. The sequence function is super flexible. For example, you can add more arguments to customize where you start, how much to increment by, or even create multidimensional grids of numbers. But in most cases, this setup, equals sequence count to BB, is all you'll need for fast, reliable serial numbering. So that's it. As you can see, this method is easy, lightning fast, and saves you tons of keystrokes. Give it a try with your next list and see how effortlessly it tidies up your data. If you found this tip helpful, help out the channel by giving a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or need help tweaking this method, drop your thoughts in the comments. I read and reply to as many as I can. And don't forget to subscribe for more Google Sheets tricks and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.